Now further, she asked Tommy, where did you find it? Where did you find the book? So Tommy said, in my house, in the attic. What is attic? Attic is a space below the roof which is used as a storehouse. Okay, storeroom type of things where we store certain things just little below the roof, that is known as attic. So he said he found in his attic. Now she asked, what is the book about? It is about the school. So Margie was little surprised. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. She says, what is there to write about the schools that someone could write the complete book about school? I hate school, because she didn't like school. Why? Because she never saw the real school like we have seen. For her, the school was just a room close to her bedroom where she would go and a computerized teacher would teach us. There was a visualized classroom and no friends, no giggling, no chatting, no talking, nothing, no recess, no break. All these things were not there. So she used to hate the schools. Now Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. But now she has started hating it more. Why? Because her mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography. Her teacher would not explain her anything. That mechanical computerized teacher is not explaining. She is just giving test after the test of the subject geography, and she has been performing worse and worse, and her performance was declining and becoming poor. Then one day when her mother realized that she was performing very bad, her mother was little surprised, and what did she do? She sent Margie for the county inspector. Now who is county inspector? County inspector is the one who corrects or who manages that computerized teacher. So her mother sent Margie to call that county inspector to check that what is the problem with that mechanical teacher, that she was giving one test after the other. Now she came back with the county inspector. That man had he was a round little man with a red face, and he was carrying a whole toolbox with him which was having different dials and wires, because he had come to correct or to put in place that computerized teacher. Now what Margie was hoping, Margie hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together, because he has opened all the parts of the computer which he has come to repair, and she was thinking कि काश ये कभी वापस लगा ही नहीं पाए और उसको फिर से कभी भी पढ़ाई नहीं करनी पड़े. But he knew all the right, but that county inspector knew all the things well, and in an hour or so he repaired everything. And now again in front of Margie there was a large and black ugly big screen on which all the lessons were shown up and the questions were asked. In few hours again that computerized teacher in the form of that screen came before her. Now why she hated that mechanical teacher or computer so much? Because she hated that part more in which she had to put the homework and test papers. Like you people also enjoy coming to school, but when the exams come you people start hating the school. Same manner, she was okay with attending the classes, but when it comes to homework and test papers, she did not like it at all, because she had to write them in a punch code. There was a specialized code in which she had to write all these homeworks and test papers, and the mechanical teacher would calculate it within no time, just in fraction of second. So the inspector put it all the things all right, and he smiled at Margie's mother and said to her that it was not the little girl's fault that her performance was declining. The geography sector was geared a little too quick. As it is a mechanical teacher, so any mechanical error could occur. So what had happened, कि geography वाला जो sector था वो थोड़ा high level पे चला गया था, इसलिए one after the other the tests were coming and the Margie was not performing good. So the inspector had what he had done, he had set up again to the average 10-year level, as she was 11 years old. So he managed the computer according to her level and the computer was set up again, and he said that the Margie is good, she will now perform better. Now Margie was disappointed again. She was hoping that they would take the teacher all away together. She was hoping कि काश ये इस computerized teacher को भी अपने साथ ही वापस लेकर चले जाए. Then she remembers one incident when they had once taken Tommy's teacher away. एक बार टॉमी का टीचर या टॉमी का जो एक कंप्यूटराइज्ड टीचर है उसको एक बार के लिए, एक महीने के लिए वो अपने साथ ले गए थे. क्यों? Because the history sector has blanked out completely. The history part has been blanked out from that computer. So for 1 month the teacher was taken away by that inspector. Now as she have always had a bad experience about the school, so she asked to Tommy that why would anyone write about the school, as the book they got was about the school. So she is asking Tommy that what is there in the school that anyone would write the whole book. So Tommy looked at her and said, because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. So Tommy is little elder than her, she is just 11 and he is 14. So Tommy tells her that they were not having the kind of school we have now. They had the real school, the old kind of school that already existed centuries and hundred years ago. Now the Margie said, well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. Anyway, she read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Now this element surprised her more, that the people in those times had a real original human teacher. This was surprising for them because they do not have a real human teacher. Who teaches them was just a mere computer screen.